Huh? Want anything special for your birthday?
Just a decent coffee.
You're kidding.
I'm serious.
It's pretty harsh.
Well, so you know, the girls down at the office make coffee down at the office plates.
Well, see.
And he didn't even kiss me goodbye. You know, if I could just make a decent cup of coffee, I could Oh, really. Why don't you try instant Folgers? Tastes good as fresh perked. Perked as fresh. Tastes good as fresh perked. I'll surprise Harvey for his birthday tonight. Tonight.
Hey, coffee.
It's instant Folgers. Doesn't it taste good as fresh perked?
Better.
Better than those girls make at the office.
Oh, for the love of Pete!
Honey, the girls down at the office make better coffee on their hot plates.
It's pretty harsh.
Instant full, good as fresh perked.
Well, see you later.